nung nakaraang NSPC, first runner-up po kami. So, it's a challenge for us today na makuha ang aming championship, no? With the challenge of our regional director, Alan G. Fornaso, talagang lahat ng resources ginamit namin sa journalism with all the trainings, intensive trainings after the RSPC. We have an in-house training kasi nga, gaya ng sinabi ninyo, pressure kami since first runner-up kami. The Calabarzon is our idol. Hindi po namin siya gidefeat, di yun ang purpose namin. Our purpose is to be ready para makuha namin ang championship. Okay, lahat, nakita niyo lahat ng region. Lahat ay nanalo. Pero kami lang yung tinanghal na champion. Kasi nga, lahat ng aming pagsisikap from DSPC sa division level, grabe na ang training sa mga schools. Then, after our SPC, may 3 rounds kami pag-selection ng mga the best writers among Region 11. Kaya yon nakita namin ngayon ang bunga ng paghihirap namin, and we owe it to our RD Alan G. Fornaso, our ARD Ribon Famil R. Baguio, kasi sila ay mga journalist, mga school paper advisor. Ang heart nila ay nasa journalism talaga with all the 22 Division Education Program Supervisors vocal in journalism. Kami lahat nagtulong-tulong with our Chief of Curriculum and Learning Management Division, Dr. Mary Jean B. Aldiger, and the rest of CLMD. My partner, new partner in English, Ma'am Joesa Presbitero and Ma'am Mary Jane Emehorada. Para ito sa aming rehiyon. Lahat-lahat. To God be the glory. Amen.